Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Psyop token. PSYOP is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. I'm assuming that's how it's pronounced. I have not heard it pronounced before, but it looks like it's spelled like Psyop. So this token is number one in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Right now it is up 317.99%, doing very well. This token just got listed too recently on CoinMarketCap within the last day. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the token, I'm sure it is pronounced Psyop because it is a combination. If you look at the picture of the meme here, it is Psyduck from Pokemon. And I know this because I play Pokemon Go. I mean, who doesn't? And it's got one eye in the middle of his head like Cyclops. So it is Psyduck, Cyclops, Psyop. There we go. It's meme season, folks. It is. This is what meme season is all about. So it says this is a community-driven token. Now they have a lot of memes on here. So it says name of the token Psyop, ticker symbol Psyop. It says get ready to Psyop. $7 million pre-sale. It was Psyop. Community powered. This will pump higher and faster. And Ben will just have to deal with it. I don't know who Ben is, but okay. CoinMarketCap, first day. Central Exchange, first week. So they are on CoinMarketCap, so they didn't lie about that. I don't know if it's first day, though. By the time Ben.eth, who is this Ben guy? Leave a comment. Who's Ben? Launches Psyop. We would have been done a full Psyop on him. Who wants to play? So do we. Let the Psyop games begin. Zero tax. No pre-sale. I thought they just said there was a pre-sale. $7 million pre-sale. I guess they're talking about a different token. Community-driven token. So zero tax. So basically, if you did want to buy this token, this is an Ethereum token. So basically, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap. And you would trade your Ethereum for the Psyop token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their Etherscan. You can find it on their webpage. You can find it on their DEX tools charts. You can find it all over the place. Telegram, Twitter. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And just be aware that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. You can most likely buy this token also off DEX tools. And there's going to be no slippage probably. You'll just leave slippage the way it is, or it'll be very low because there is zero taxes. Now, if you want to find their Telegram, it is at PsyopETH_IO. They have 546 subscribers so far to their Telegram. It says 19% supply is saved for central exchanges, even holder spread, organic growth, renounced contract, burnt liquidity, no taxes, first central exchange listed, and CoinMarketCap already. So where is the central exchange listing? Because it doesn't have that listed on their page here. So they do have a DEX tools chart though. So it says it says no devs, 100% liquidity in circulation and burned, active community, market cap $200,000 at the moment, 100% decentralized, and that was from 2 hours ago. And then somebody else posted, enjoy getting rugged. So let's check out the DEX Tools thing here, see what DEX Tools says. DEX Tools gives this token a 87 out of 99 DEX score. So it's not a perfect score. There is some a couple red flags on here. We'll go over that in a second. Now, according to DEX Tools, the Uniswap V3 pool says there is $538,000 in total liquidity. 24-hour trading volume is $3.48 million. Like I said, it is a top gainer section token doing number one in the top gainer section. So that's why their 24-hour trading volume is very high here. And total market cap, $4.63 million. Total supply, 69 billion Psyop tokens. 774 holders. 1,260 transactions, according to DEX Tools here. So yeah, I don't actually see any warnings or red flags. If you look at their DEX score, it says 87 out of 99. But then you look at the Go Plus security, and everything's checked off. So it doesn't have any bad warnings on here. It doesn't have a perfect vote from the community trust votes. It had 144 votes. 84% says thumbs up. 16% says thumbs down. So there is a token sniffer link here too as well. You could check that out, but it says my connection is not private, so I'm going to avoid that for now. Now, their Twitter, lots of tweets on here. Most of them seem to be like retweets and answering people and things like that. Doesn't seem to have... Let me scroll down. Actually, there is a lot of tweets here. Okay, so here's the new listing. So they got a central exchange listing on Bitforex. So you can get this token also off Bitforex by downloading Bitforex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Get it on your PC. Fund your account. After you open an account, fund your account with USDT. That's what it's paired with. And then go into the trade section, search PSIOP, and then simply just buy the token. It says the listing date is the 19th, which is today. So it just got listed today on Bitforex, and now it is in the top gainer section, so it's doing very well. There's not a lot of information on this token at all. It says the exact same thing on their Twitter, their coin market cap listing, and their webpage. Just about, the Ben.eth thing I mentioned, and that is basically it. So this is very much a meme token with like zero utility. So just be aware of that. You can find the chart, all the links, everything like that on CoinMarketCap, and you can find this token newly listed on Bitforex, and that is about it. Now, if you want to find the most information, it's on their Twitter. They seem to tweet a lot. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.